So today I'm going to be showing you my routine on how I blow dry and straighten my hair. I really love how it came out because it just looks so clean and neat. Like, it looks like I just got out of the salon. But yes, if you want to continue to learn some techniques on how to blow dry and straighten your hair, then definitely stay tuned. Hey guys, so this is going to be my daily hair routine. I have damp hair and I've already pretty much brushed out all the knots and everything, but I'm gonna go ahead and just brush it out a little bit more. After I brush it out, I'm going to be using a hair blow dryer so I can dry it. And my hair is already straight, but to give it like that anti-frizz type thing, I like to run a hair straightener through it. So this is super fun. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush it all out. Alright, so I have brushed it out. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab my hair blow dryer. So pretty much I just got this Conair one, which I really liked it because it had like the concentrator on there. So there's a little airflow thing you can put on here and it's a concentrator. Here it is. It pretty much concentrates your airflow. Alright, so now that my hair is all dried, I will like to go over some techniques. So mainly, for the longest time I hated blow drying my hair because it would get me so frizzy and I didn't know why. But then I picked up that as long as you're using the force or the pressure of the air and you're kind of like putting it vertical, this air is going to force your hair to be more sleek and smooth, and it's gonna pretty much straighten it for you along the way of you blow drying. So if you've ever like blow dry your hair like this and you're not really caring or paying attention to using it vertically, then what I would say is that you probably have frizzy hair, because that's what I would do. I pretty much just have my hair going like crazy. Now that I know, I'm putting my hair blow dryer downward and I'm frequently brushing my hair while it's blow drying. So then it makes like the finished touch just that much better. So yeah, that's something to take along whenever you're blow drying your hair. You just want to make sure that you are focusing on where the air is going, because that's going to make a difference in the long run. Now I am going to straighten. So just a little bit. You're probably like, you don't even need to straighten it, but it is a little frizzy. I'll show you this versus after straightened. Go ahead and just put some heat protectant. Smells so good. So I like to just put a little bit of heat protectant. Brush it through. So my flat iron is all ready for me. It's at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. When straightening your hair, you're gonna wanna take little pieces only. So you don't wanna do a lot or big chunks. You're just gonna wanna do little pieces. I just like to do it like 2 times. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten out the rest of my hair. So this side is already looking like very flat, which is what I'm going for. You're just gonna wanna grab like good portions of your hair, not too much, whatever your straightener will handle. So. Usually I like to like section off my hair if I'm really wanting to get it real straight, but because I already had it blow dried, we're good. So, if you can tell, I've straightened this side, and I haven't yet touched that side. So, mainly, the difference is gonna be that there's probably just like a little more frizz on this side. So, yeah. It still looks good if I were not to straighten it, but it looks more pressed. Go ahead and go in for this side and straighten out, doing little pieces at a time. Portions. Okay, so this is my hair after it's been blow dried and straightened. And as you can tell, it's just so much more neater and it looks so smooth and so sleek. Look at that, so awesome. Show you my ends here. So I'll take a snapshot. Here's after. But yeah, so I like to keep my hair pretty healthy. I don't necessarily put heat to it every single day, but when I do want to look a little more neat, then definitely this is my way to go. I will be doing another video on the products that I use as far as shampoo and conditioner and just a couple of other things. So definitely stay tuned for more. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.